Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying decimals by 10, 100, etc. The rules for multiplying decimals by powers of 10 are very straightforward indeed. We adhere to the following simple rules. When multiplying by 10, move the decimal point one place to the right. When multiplying by 100, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. When multiplying by 1000, move the decimal point 3 places to the right, etc. Let's have a look at some examples. Multiply each of the following decimals by the indicated power of 10. First one, 3.6 times 10. Since we're multiplying by 10, we use the first rule. We move the decimal point one place to the right for an answer of 36. For the second example, we still use the first rule because we're multiplying by 10. Move the decimal point one place to the right, 236.7. For the next example, we're using this rule because we're multiplying by 100. So we move the decimal point 2 places to the right to give us this answer. Now the decimal point is here to the right of the 3, but it's invisible. You don't actually see it. You don't have to show it. And for the next example, we're still doing this rule here. So you just move the decimal point 2 places to the right to get 734.2. Let's have a look at some other examples. Multiply each of the following decimals by the indicated power of 10. Here we're multiplying by 1000, so we use the third rule. So we go 1, 2, 3, which means we add a 0. See? 1, 2, 3. So we have to add a 0, and there's the answer. Again, we're multiplying by 100. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. There's the answer. Now 0.5 by 1000, okay, so what happens here is you move the decimal point 3 places to the right because you're multiplying by 1000. So pretend it was there, 1, 2, 3. So you add whatever zeros you need. Answer each of the following. How many millimetres in 3.4 centimetres? If we know that there are 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre, all you do is multiply by 10 and you move the decimal point one place to the right. How many centimetres in 4.6 metres? If we know that there are 100 centimetres in a metre, all you do is move the decimal point 2 places to the right, which gives you an answer of 460 centimetres. And how many metres in 23.54 kilometres? If we know that there are 1000 metres in a kilometre, you multiply this number here by 1000, which means you move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the right to get that answer. So this video has given us some basic rules to show us how to multiply decimals by powers of 10. And really all it involves is moving the decimal point the appropriate number of places to the right.